Hey guys, I wanted to do a little video. My first scoop that I put together for the new prototype. It's glued up, it's all done. The only thing I'd probably do differently now that I've finished it, instead of starting flush up here on the two corners, I would probably start back about an inch, which would push the material out towards the tips a little bit more. The material being out here further is going to be catching the most wind because the tips are where the wind is at. So I think I want to move that on the next one up this way. Taking it away from here really shouldn't have much of a detriment at all. So next one that I do, I'm probably going to shift it slightly and bring it that way. But it's glued up and it's ready to go. That's one of 10. There's going to be 10 scoops that we're going to have total. So the cool part about it is it's coming together. And it's solid, you know. It's quite cool to see it. So thought I'd share it with you guys. And I'll keep you updated as I go along over the next couple days making the rest of the scoops. Take care.